Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So, while sitting at home and in wintertime, I discovered a feature that's just there on the Apple CarPlay, and for using Google Maps. So, it's a feature in which when your Apple CarPlay is connected, basically your iPhone is connected to the GoldWing, you're still able to access your uh, Google Maps on your cell phone and mark or pinpoint destinations and route your route accordingly. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. So as you can see here, my Apple CarPlay is connected and my Google Maps is on there on the display of the GoldWing, and I have my Google Maps open on my iPhone. So how it works is, let's say I need to go. I open up the destination someone shared with me, a beautiful map, and I need to go, and I need to follow this route. What I can do is I just tap and hold that one, and I just click on the direction. Now it will tell me from my location to there. I could change my location and say Hamilton, Ontario. And okay, so from Hamilton, Ontario to this. Now I need to keep following this route, right? So I'll go up here and click into add stop. Now once I click on the add stop, I'll click here again, go into choose on the map. Now you see that old map that I opened is there. So all I need to do is zoom in and set destinations. So let's say, because we need to set where points to follow that thing, and I click OK. So now A is the first point I'm going to, B is that, and if you see, I'm following that map. And then I go again and say, okay, new destination, choose on the map, and then I have to remember. So let's say I zoom in again and I say I want to make sure that I'm meeting somewhere here. All right, and let's do okay. Now you see A, B, and C is there. Another, add stop, choose on the map, and I say I need to go here. Okay. So it's basically A, B, C, D. This way I can complete this whole loop by adding more stops till I return back to A. Now once I'm done with that thing, okay, all I need to do is press done here. So let's say I click start here. Yep, once I click start, the route has started. Now it's going to take me to all those points I've already set up, okay, A, B, C, D, and once I reach each stop, it keeps telling me okay, are you ready to continue to the next? All I have to do is press this ENT here, which is the enter button, and it goes, it navigates me to the next stop. Then once I reach to point B, I can navigate further. Excellent feature, and it's only available for the, Apple CarPlay users and iPhone users. Just to show you that this feature is not available on the Android Auto currently, and I hope it comes. I'll connect my Google Maps from my Samsung Note 10 Plus to show you that this feature, it doesn't work there, sadly. I just wish it works, but I'll show it to you quickly. Alright, just to show you how this feature works on the doesn't work on actually the Android Auto, but if any one of you have a way and would like to share, when I open so the Android Auto is connected, the Google Map is up on the GoldWing, but as soon as I click the maps, the app keeps closing, you see, on my phone, and it won't allow me to open. I can open any other app, like I can open Chrome or I can open anything else that I want, but just the Google Maps won't let me open here on the my Samsung Note 10 Plus. But if any one of you have a way to access and make this work, let me know. But for now, I can see that it's working on my Apple iPhone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. This was a brief explanation to show you how this new feature that I found on the iPhone works in Google Maps. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you're new so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.